going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral. I found this song that does really well on the lows, and I wanted to show it today for y'all, so stay tuned. This is YouTube Jacob Viral. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and this is my build. Links in the description to show support for the channel, as well as a build log list of how I got to where I am with this wall build. 4 18s on 6,000 watts, and we're gonna see how it does today. Really excited to see the actual output this thing is doing when I turn the subsonic off, and I wanted to show it on video. I had a song playing and I was like, holy smokes, this is actually pretty good for just the amount of power I have, but it's on a lot of cone area too. So right now I got the amp on 14.5. Amp is cold, so I haven't really played it today, but I wanted to see how it does. So 6,000 watt amp on 2 lithium limitless 45 amp hours. Let's go see how it does. So the song I found was on a USB with one of the DJs I purchased from. So we'll see how it does. This is called, it's Titanic, My Heart Will Go is the song. So let's see, this one plays down. It's got to play down to at least like 17 hertz, 16, 17 hertz. So let's see how it does. That door and window is closed. I'll show some flex everywhere for y'all. This is crazy. So hit that like button and subscribe if y'all like this kind of stuff, and I'll do a couple other demo songs as well, but this is the first one. Give y'all a little build update as well. All right, I'm gonna be out of the vehicle, but I'll turn the bass up for this. All right, now let me go to the other side and see how it does outside. Voltage is a lot better. So I dropped to like 13.1 at idle. When I have it revved up, it was like holding 13.8 to 14. And that was like 2 clicks from clipping. Probably less than 2,500 watts too doing that. So definitely I can float my hair, my shirt, everything with that window up. Definitely impressive song there too. Hit the like button, let me know what y'all think on that. The flex is not gonna show the best because of course everything in my vehicle is destroyed. No way for me to show all the flex because everything that moves I take out besides the door and window. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and just do some shuffle and demo songs today for y'all as well. Gonna go ahead and see how just music runs do. I'm not even gonna worry about like loudest. I just want to see different types of music ranges and show y'all things I never demo. So we'll see how it demos. Yeah, that song ain't the best, but it's musical. Let's do the next one. I'm just shuffling through, letting y'all hear some cool things, different things. Let me know in the comments if you're still watching, things that you want to see flex for future videos too. And if you want a certain song, I'll find it and play it for you. All right, let's see how this one does. We'll just shuffle something random and see how it does. I'm gonna do 2 more. That one's 30. We'll see how this one does. Goosebumps, 29 to 46. Starting to learn that there's something popping up here, a certain note, something down there broke from playing bass, not just today but in general. I got to figure out what that is. It's popping. That was Goosebumps. Man, it doesn't really have much flex on video. You can't really show much, but it's definitely doing at least a 53, 54 on music, and that's on with the windows down. If I put that window up, let's see how it does with the window up, and let's find a one more demo song and then I'll end it here. So we'll do one with the window up. I'm just shuffling. I normally play on USB, but today's for fun for y'all. All I got to do is find something that'll play at mid to high 40s. Subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more footage as well. Starting to just break in the sub now is pretty much my goal, is try to get it broken in before I do any other testings and tweaks. All right, so let's see how this one does. This one is 32 hertz, rebass, 32 to 50 hertz. DJ Rusticles, I don't know. We'll find out what this one does.
slapping rookies tight.
I don't know. That was like porcelain, 32 hertz up to 50 hertz. So around that 49 to 50 hertz range with that window up, man, is brutal. Like instantly on that frequency of a high note, I could tell it's doing at least like a 57, 58 dB clean on music. It could be up to a 60 depending on where I put my clicks. But wow, happy with it. Thanks for watching. Trying to give y'all some build updates as well, but that'll be in the next video. This one's more just for demo. A lot of people want to see what it does on the sub movement with my power. So as y'all can see, subs are hardly moving. They only get moving a lot when they're on the unloading phase, and that's with low power at low frequencies where it's actually, it won't bottom out because of the power. And I'm not clipping or anything, keeping it clean, but it's pretty impressive for what it was. Definitely happy with it. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more. So. Amp doesn't even get hot, just barely warm, but keep in mind I'm probably maxing out that amp almost. But of course I'm not demoing too long and I ain't gonna blow anything. So there y'all go. Stay tuned for more, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.